Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Jeep Patriot. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and a Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors, power brakes, rear wiper, heated seats, cruise control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.